Hi, welcome to my tiny cute studio life. I'm Matthew, and I thought I'd share a short tour of my studio space for you all. This is my work and gaming laptop for my pixel art and illustration, a little storage area with my cooler, my old Sterno canned heat, works okay with the muffin slice. This is ceiling. It's this new Undar table architectural studio stack concept, vending machine collection over there, succulents tucked in a nook, conceptual design work, and I'm working on over there all the time on the on the nook and the floor. So the little storage area here, that's where I put those papers, and once again the ceiling back there I stretch my legs, I can my sock collection and stuff. Once again, this is my Sterno canned heat, for toast and muffins. It's pretty good. I'm working on over there all the time on the on the nook and the floor. So the little storage area here, that's where I put those papers, and once again the ceiling back there I stretch my legs, I can my sock collection and stuff. Once again, this is my Sterno canned heat, for toast and muffins. It's pretty good. Hold on. Hey, I'm recording down here. I told you. Give me a moment, please. Oh well, what can you do? I'm doing my best, everyone. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Here, I told you. Give me a moment, please.
Alright, this part of this video, I kind of want to just maybe bring in our friend from Tiny Cute Camper Studio. So, hello. Hi, Maddie. Hi, it's so good to see you. I'm still here in my tiny little camper. With just me and my cat, Graph X2, of course, and I just had a little pixel batch show. I hung outside my camper, and that was pretty good. And I'm using my typical 8-bit, palette that I love to do. But it's so good to see you, Matthew. And I maybe would like to, I love your work, Matthew. Your pixel art. And what are you doing? Are you still doing your user manual collection for Super Paint? Or all the computer magazines, from the 70s and the 80s, old computer magazines. Pretty cool. Of course, I'm looking at the old computer and gaming magazines from the 70s and 80s. Of course, still doing that with the user manual and the collection, and so I'm still doing that. Yeah, I am still working on the user manual collection. I added more pictures to my PC98 folder, and so let's show some of that. That's kind of inspiring me. I'm kind of looking through different parts of that. So let's take a look at that. Yep. Oh. Oh, cool. You send that to me. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Oh well, what can you do? I'm doing my best, everyone. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my tiny cute studio life. Thanks.